dora ngiri 11 magana matandatũ ma mĩrongo ĩrĩ na ithatũ na kũrĩa rĩu thirĩ ũyũ ũragĩthiĩ ona mbere na kuongerereka no na gũkĩrĩ ũguo mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kambuni ya maguta nĩyo ya National Oil augĩte atĩ gũkĩrĩ na kĩhonia kana ena kĩhonia na ũrĩa kana ta ũrĩa mwandĩki tũtikagĩra wa gĩteru aragĩtarĩria.
From the contractors you can see
makiria ma miaka 10 kuma maguta mamenyeke mwena Ngamia 1 na kuria mehokirwo gwe kambuni ya wendiaini ni president wa gatatu wa bũrũri Mwai Kibaki.
As a rack number based on the survey, then it has tape ID.
Mũikari gĩtĩ wa kambuni ya maguta National Oil Corporation Keito Murugi augĩte bũrũri no ũhote kũrĩha na kũnina thirĩ waguo wothe wa China na bengi ya kĩmabũrũri ya World Bank kũhũthĩra wendia wa maguta wa gĩthima kĩero kicha.
The oil and gas. We can either solve the debt problems. The oil drought which was discovered, and we are not finished the exploration. They say what has been discovered so far. The endowment share of it is about 20%. It amounts to $8 billion US. With $8 billion US, we don't need the IMF, we don't need China, we don't need all those who part of places. We can liberate ourselves just by exploiting these resources.
Ahithoretie uhindi ya mũcemanio wena na wendia maguta Afrika uria ũgwĩkĩka Mombasa na kuria moririe mabũrũri maya manyitane gũkũria Afrika.
My hope now that as you stay here in Kenya, I hope that this morning you had an exciting tour of our facilities that we are trying to develop. We are in the process now of equipping our lab. Hopefully the next time you come, you find a fully functional petrochemical and geophysical lab.
The thing is, you may be at different stages in your development, but working together, learning to know people from the different countries, learning to know how to address the issues you have and work together is the valuable thing about what we try to do.
TV ira kwanekagera wa gĩteru.
Transport logistics, the bus application.